Hello everyone, welcome to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will go through one of our projects where we will learn about manual testing. But before moving ahead, let's understand what software testing is. Software testing is a verifying data software product application, and what it's supposed to do is, moreover, it is for preventing bugs, reducing development cost, and improving software performance. With software testing, we can test softwares in two ways, manual and automation. Moving on, manual testing is the first step of testing, and for that, we have to understand what manual testing is. So, manual testing is the process in which we compare the behavior of a developed piece of code against the expected requirement. Now, we'll present some of the advantages of self-manual testing. So, it is cost-effective, has no environmental limitation, programming knowledge is not required, and it is recommendable for dynamically changed GUI. Furthermore, there are various types of time manual testing, and here are some of them: Jira, Mantis, JMeter. Now proceeding further, we'll discuss about automation testing. In automation testing, the test automation engineer will write the test script or use the automation testing tool to execute the application. Afterwards, we'll highlight some of the advantages and disadvantages of the automation testing. Advantages of automation testing: less human resource, less time consuming, running tests anytime, no need to write a test script every time. Disadvantages of automation testing: automation testing requires high level of skilled testers. Test maintenance is expensive because high fee license testing equipment is necessary. Debugging is mandatory. If a less effective error has not been resolved, it can lead to fatal results. Now let's talk about sanity testing. So the main purpose of sanity testing is to ensure that the proposed modification or functionality works as intended. Here we have to touch on and implement its impact, but not thoroughly in depth. For example, if you want to test only an essential small, or you may say a newly added functionality, then we perform sanity testing, such as the newly added button, subscribe button, and much more. However, we made a solution for this particular integration. We will show you in the demonstration part. With this, we'll manually click on this subscribe button and check whether it's working or not. As you can see, this is the radio button, and you can see multiple options under the community poll over here. Moving ahead, we'll click on the excellent option to see if the radio button is working correctly. Afterwards, hit on this search column and type whatever you want to search to see if the search box is working fine. Next, we have the smoke testing on our list of softwares. Smoke testing is a type of software testing in which we'll find all the basic functionalities of a particular build are working well or not, such as all the navigations, menus, link, button, add to cart functionality, category, and much more. Therefore, we have to check all the basic functionalities or features of the UI in smoke testing. Next, we have regression testing. So regression testing is the type of testing in which we have to verify whether the complete system and bug fixes are working fine or not. For example, if there are changes in the previous functionality, new functionality, or any other functionality, we have to check the impact of newly added functionality on our entire system. As you can see, the subscribe button is over here. So if this button is not the previous functionality, it is newly added functionality. In that case, we have to test all the functionalities of this particular page to check whether everything is usually working after adding this new functionality. So this was all for today's video. We hope the video worked advantageously for you. Do you think your every effort in growing your business is always just not enough? No worries. We at ForceBolt have a full-fledged team of app and web developers who can assist you with companies in boosting efficiency and productivity with custom needs. Being a leading web development company, ForceBolt is the one-stop destination to cater to all your front-end and back-end development or prediction model requirements, such as blockchain development, Angular development, etc. With our team of experts, we offer you a rich experience of technical excellence. Connect with us now.